I hope the phone can pick up some of these sounds, but the sounds of nature are often recorded so that people can use them as a way to meditate or to find calmness. But the sounds of nature, whether it's a thunderstorm or crashing waves on the beach or a babbling brook or birds chirping, it speaks to us and it's very, very powerful. I'm sure it's extremely measurable if you measure a person's vital signs, their biological signs, while not only being in nature with the colors and the visual aspect of it, but the sounds. So I'll give this a second and see if the phone picks up the sound of the stream and the birds. Unfortunately, there was a lot of jet traffic when I was standing here just before starting the video. It was quiet for quite a while. These jets are all flying into Denver. But it gives you an idea of when you're trying to be at peace and calm, you know, how much of an influence unnatural sounds, it's the same as other unnatural things, have a conflict with our, you know, with our biology. It's not to say that there's not something in the experience of everything, whether you were listening to cars in a city or a jet flying overhead or whatever it might be, the sound of a busy restaurant, you know, those things can all have valuable experiences and impact us in various ways, and they can be very good memories and still something of excitement in us. It's not to say that those things are all bad. It's just to be aware that they are unnatural, and sometimes we need to really focus on resetting ourselves in nature. And that's also kind of goes for everything else, like the food that we eat. Well, obviously we can eat some junk food, and we might enjoy it, and it might actually create some pleasant memories. But on the long term, you have to have discipline, because that's not necessarily going to be the best thing for your body and health. That goes for many other things that we do. So I love you.